Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. I am back with another look. I'm going down the autumn fall route with my looks lately. So this is a greeny brownie autumn look for you dolls. What are you saying, dolls? Are you feeling this look? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Going to start off with a primer oil drops from Makeup Academy. Now I'm going to apply my NYX Angel Veil Primer. Okay, so face is primed. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to move on to my base. So I'm going to add some color corrector, and I mixed my LA Girl color corrector in orange with my LA Girl Pro concealer in tawny, and I got this really nice peach color that goes with my skin to color correct it, because one's too dark and the other one's a concealer. So that is what I do, and you put it in the problem areas. This is my problem area. Just basically anywhere where there's like discoloration or spots, you just put it there, and that will just help with your base. So now what I'm going to go in is my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in shade 235, way too light for me. And I'm also using my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in Honey. I use this on its own a lot of the time, but I wanted to use my Fenty foundation today, so I had to just drop a little bit of it in there just to try and darken it a little bit. So I'm going to just apply that now. Okay, so I have my foundation on. I'm going to go straight into concealer now. And I'm going to use two concealers. I'm going to use my MAC NC42 concealer first. So I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer now. I'm going to go in with my HD concealer in Cocoa. Okay, I'm going to start by blending out the concealer. I will add some powder shortly and my bronzer, but for the moment I'm going to move on to the eye because the base is done. Okay dolls, so we are going to move on to the brows. I'm going to be using my Precisely Brow Pencil in shade 5 from Benefit. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my PLouise base, and I'm going to use Rumour 0. Now I'm going to use a bright eyeshadow primer because I'm using the Revolution London palette. Now there's nothing wrong with this palette, it's very nice, but the pigmentation is not as intense as how I like it. So I'm going to just use that PLouise base underneath to just help to brighten everything up. So I am going to go in with Rumour 0 and just apply that. This is my eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I have an array of colors on my palette. Can you see that? I've scraped them. I scraped all the colours that I'm going to be using. So we are going to start on this eyeshadow bead, and I hope it comes out looking how I think it is going to look in my head. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with brown because that is like the best transition shade ever. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Intuition from the Carnival XL palette, and I'm just going to pop that right here. I added Hall as well with that brown, so it's more chocolatey. So I'm just gonna go and add this green that I just added on this side onto this side. We're layering, baby. We are layering, okay? And I really like this green. Such a pretty color. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just use some Vaseline. I'm going to Rumour 04 and just cut this crease again. Okay, so the same color that's on the top of my eye, I'm gonna bring it down onto the lid. So I think I'm gonna carry on the same motion of starting from the inner corner, then out to the outer corner and just build it up. I'm gonna go back into Intuition. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the first green that I used. Fallout cream right now, but just avoid that if you can. Maybe doing your base after you do your eyes if it's going to be an intense look. But I did put some translucent powder, so it should be fine when I go to brush it off at the end. Pretty much done, guys. I think what I'm going to do is add something for elevation. I know there's a lot going on, but I still think you need something else to just let it pop. So I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add a gold strip right under my crease. Put on my eyelash glue, let that marinate. So I'm just gonna fill in my bottom lash line with basically the same colors that I've used at the top. go in with my Huda bronzer. Gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Gonna go in with my Pinch O Peach blush from MAC. And then I'm going to use a couple of drops. This is the LA Girl highlighter in Champagne, and it is a cream highlighter. So I'm just applying it with my fingers first. I brought it down a little bit too far on my cheek, but I'm just gonna use the blusher to neaten that up so it's not too far down. I'm also gonna go into this highlighter palette. So I just used Well lip liner. Okay dolls, this is a wrap. What are you dolls saying? Were you a little bit scared when I first started? You didn't know it was gonna turn out like this, did you? Yeah, you gotta trust the process, okay? You gotta trust the process sometimes. But yes dolls, I am so in love with how this look turned out. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know in the comments below, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe dolls.